Hello friends, welcome to DevOption channel. In today's video, we are going to build Java using Maven in Jenkins pipeline. So in today's video, we are going to cover all these points. So first is what is Jenkins pipeline, what is Jenkins file, then we'll install all the required plugins, then we'll build a pipeline. First we'll just create a simple stage, then we'll add the tools like Maven, and then the final task which is Maven build, and we'll generate the test report. So Jenkins pipeline is a combination of plugins which automates the number of tasks and makes the CI/CD pipeline efficient and high in quality. So to automate the pipeline, Jenkins pipeline, we'll have to write a Jenkins file. So Jenkins file is nothing but a simple text file which is used to create the Jenkins pipeline and to automate the continuous integration process. Jenkins file works as a pipeline as a code, and it can be written in two ways. So first is declarative pipeline syntax and the second one is scripted pipeline syntax. So these are the three plugins which we have to install in our Jenkins. First is Maven integration, second is pipeline Maven integration, and third one is pipeline utility steps. So to install it, let's go to the Jenkins dashboard. So this is my Jenkins dashboard. Jenkins run on a default port which is 8080. So to install the plugins, go to the manage Jenkins, click on that, manage Jenkins, click on manage plugins, go to the available section. So here first you can see the Maven integration, select the checkbox, you can search for the next which is pipeline Maven, select the checkbox. Third one is pipeline utility, so select the checkbox and here you can see the download and install button, click on that. So it's downloaded successfully, so click the restart checkbox. So till Jenkins get started again, just have an overview on a project. So this is my GitHub repository named Maven-Jenkins. So it has a source folder. In that it just have a simple Java code which prints hello world message and a Java test file, apptest.java. It just verifies whether the string matches or not, and a pom.xml file which consists all our Java project configuration and the dependencies used in Java project. So let's go to the Jenkins dashboard again. So yes, here you can see my earlier created Maven jobs all got reflected suddenly on the Jenkins dashboard because we installed the Maven integration plugin, so it got enabled. So let's create a new job. For it, click on new item. Here you can give any item name like my new demo pipeline. So select the pipeline option, click on OK. Here you can give any description like hello, this is my Jenkins pipeline by DevOption. Select the checkbox GitHub project. Here you'll have to provide your GitHub project URL. So copy it from here, paste here. So in build trigger, select these two checkbox, build whenever a snapshot and GitHub hook trigger. So coming to the pipeline section, here you can see the two options, pipeline script and pipeline script from SCM. So this pipeline script means you can write your Jenkins file here in Jenkins itself, or otherwise you can fetch it from your source code management. So click on that. So here you can select your Git or any source code management which you are using. Here you can provide your GitHub repository URL. Here you can add the credentials by clicking on this add button, Jenkins, and you can simply add your credentials via SSH, secret file, secret text, or username with password. So you can provide here your GitHub username, here your GitHub password, here your ID, and clicking on this add button, your credentials will be added to the Jenkins server. So I have already added it. So here you can change your branch. By default it's master, so you can change it to your main branch or dev branch, and here you have to give your Jenkins file path. So we are going to write a Jenkins file in here itself. So first we'll just create a simple stage. So here you can see Jenkins provide different framework like hello world. Here it is a pipeline section. For every Jenkins file, it starts from the pipeline section. Then the agent. So this agent is nothing but we have to select where to run our pipeline. So we'll just keep it any. Then the stages. So it's just a series of stages are executed in that. So our stage is hello, we'll just change it to build because we have to build it. Then the steps, the series of steps get executed in this stage section. So this echo for printing a hello world message. So just save it and click on build now. So you can see here our build is success. One stage has been created, build stage. And going to the console output, you can see the hello world message. So now without wasting time, let's move to the next task, which is adding the tools. So before it, I'll have to just check so what Maven version, Maven name I have given in my Jenkins. So go to the manage Jenkins, click on global tool configuration. Go to the Maven installation. So here you'll have to check it. So I have given it Maven all in uppercase. So go to the dashboard again, go to your job, click on configure. Here we'll add the tools section. Tools, Maven, even my Maven name, and just click on save. Click on build now. Let's check whether our tools get added or not. So yes, here you can see our build is success. So one more stage it has been created, a declarative tool install. It's nothing but it just checkouts our source code to the agent which we have declared in our Jenkins file. Here you can see in the console output the hello world message and the build is success. So now we'll do the main task. We'll build Maven in our pipeline. So go to the configure section. We'll make some changes in the script. So first of all, we'll just have to give a checkout from our Git repository. So for it, you can see here the pipeline syntax. Just simply click on that. Here you have to select the checkout option. This checkout from version control, by default it is Git. So let it be Git. Provide your GitHub repository URL. Copy it from here. Paste here. So select your credentials. I will change the branch because my branch is main, it's not master. So yes, all is okay. Check it once and just click on the generate pipeline script. So here you can see the git SCM branch has been declared main as I have given it. It added my credentials and my GitHub repository URL. So copy this, go to your Jenkins file, simply paste here and just add one more line to build a Maven sh maven -d maven dot test dot failure dot ignore true clean package. These are the goals. So the main goal to build maven is to package, means it just simply create artifact id and then it creates a jar file in executable format. So now we'll just declare a post section, and it's always better to keep your build and the test in separate stages. So here we will add the post section. So this post section is nothing but where you can run the end of your pipeline. You can just simply add some notifications, or you can generate the test reports or archive your artifacts and all this. So here we'll keep it always JUnit allow empty results true, comma, test results are test reports .xml. So this JUnit, it's nothing but it will archive the JUnit formatted test report. And this allow empty results, it means just if test case fails or test reports generation fails, so it should not affect on our build. So that's why we kept it true. And so all is okay. Every time just check all the curly braces are been closed. So yes, click on save. Now click on build now. Let's check our maven build. So yes, as you can see, our build is success. We have successfully built maven. Let's go to the console output. Here you can see the hello world message. It's building our snapshot jar file. Tests are also success. So yes, we have successfully built maven. We have generated the test reports. You can see. So it's not a difficult task to build Java using Maven in Jenkins pipeline. It's a very simple way. You have to just write an automation script, a Jenkins file which will automate the pipeline from your commit, git commit to the jar till the creating the jar file. It will automate the whole process. So in this way we created the maven build, we created the pipeline, we did the maven build. So friends, like, comment and share our YouTube channel DevOpsHint. Here you can get all the tips and tricks for DevOpsHint and all the installation guides, configuration of different tools of DevOps. So thank you, subscribe our channel.